flushing the toilet. I'm a cat. Well, at least I think I am.
You're not a cat, you're a dog.
Meow. I'm a cat and I like to flush the toilet.
Cats can't flush the toilet.
Well, I can. Just bring me one and I will show you.
Are you crazy? I'm not going to bring you a toilet.
Please.
No.
Please, 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 please.
Sorry, I don't have any money.